It's probably why you're celebrating your 15th anniversary as the opposition spokesperson on finance. 5 finance ministers later, you're still sitting in the same seat because the people of Ireland don't trust you when it comes to the economy. They know that the angry jack-in-the-box routine doesn't build homes, Pearse. It doesn't build homes. It doesn't build homes. And last count, Corla. Angry Pearse, and last count Corla, in the extra time available to me, in the time available to me that was available to Deputy Doherty, can I point out that there's only one party in this House that is receiving very significant financial funding from builders and construction companies. The published accounts of Friends of Sinn Féin in the United States of America show that of your €366,000 in donations, you know where the bulk came from? Construction companies and builders. You know where the biggest donation came from? One construction company in America that gave you $20,000. You tell the young people of Ireland you're on the side of the working people, and Mary Lou flies out to America to take the dollars from the big businesses, big companies, big builders. You are the party of taking big money from big American building companies. You are a hypocrite.
You've got your time. Please, order.
Making the grass blushing up there. I have an embarrassment from a finance minister.
Just to reassure Tánaiste.
Happy anniversary.
Nothing to say to your entrance about
15 years.
Nothing to say to your entrance about
Offering nothing positive to anybody.
When the two of you are ready, we can continue. Deputy Keener Callan.
Benefiting people in Donegal for the first time ever. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.